Today, in this class, we are going to learn about the rank of matrix. Rank of a matrix. So, before going to this rank of matrix, we need to know just one definition. I think all of you know that one. Minor of a matrix. So, what is the minor? In simple words, it is a one determinant. Minor is a determinant. So, what is the determinant? For what determinant? Suppose you have taken the any matrix. So, it is n by n, A11 to A1n, An1 to Ann. So, now you want to find the minor of an element. Minor of A. Board is not visible. Tell me. Tell me, Amma. Hello? Girls? Chepama. Yeah, I will write the last one. Now, minor of A11. చెప్పు. Yeah, you can join anywhere. It is definitely it will be take the attendance. You are నీ రూల్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చినాగా. నీ దాంట్లో నీ రూల్ నెంబర్ జాయిన్ అయితే నీ రూల్ నెంబర్ అది ఇచ్చిన కాబట్టి నో ప్రాబ్లం. చూస్తా సాయంత్రం మధ్యాహ్నం తర్వాత. మేడం నువ్వు బి సెక్షన్ ఏ సెక్షన్? మేడం ఫోన్ చేసి సరే సార్ చెప్తాడు మీకు. సో నౌ ది మైనర్ ఆఫ్ an element. So here I am taking this A11. So to find the minor of these elements, eliminate the corresponding row and corresponding column. Then you get the n minus 1 into n minus 1. So by eliminating this row and this column, we have a remaining elements. You can take that one. That is a minor of a matrix. In simple words, the minor means determinant of squares of matrix. Minor definition is determinant of squares submatrix. Simple definition for the minor is determinant of the square submatrix. So note down this definition of minor. Let A be any square matrix. Let A be any square matrix and the minor of an element Aij, an element of Aij can be obtained by eliminating the ith row and jth row. That is minor, or simply you want to write this one. A minor is a determinant of square submatrix. So how you are getting that square submatrix? The square submatrix you will get it by eliminating the corresponding row and corresponding element. So all are this minor definition. Now, so we are going to this rank of matrix. Now the rank of matrix is one of the important topic because we know we are using this in solving the system of equations. System of now first thing is rank of matrix. Simple words, you want to take the simple words, just the number of linearly independent rows or columns. In the matrix, number of linearly independent rows or columns. So now that is the simple definition. But whenever you want to write some definition, exact definition, so let A be any matrix of order m by n is said to have a rank of R. Is said to rank of R. So here two conditions. If the two conditions is, if one is at least one minor of order, at least one minor of order, or at least one non-zero minor, at least one non-zero minor of order R. The first condition is, you want to say that R is a rank of matrix. The first condition should be at least one non-zero minor of order R. At least. So there may be a number of minors, but in that one you have at least one minor of order R should be non-zero. And the second condition, if the minor of order R plus 1, if the minor of order R plus 1 exists, if the minor of order R plus 1 exists, then that should vanish. That means the minor is 0. Vanish means 0. So here, what happens? Whenever you want to find the rank of matrix, you need to find a non-zero minor first. So how to get that non-zero minor? Minor is a determinant of square submatrix. You find the minor determinant, then you will find this. And suppose that minor is R is non-zero, if the minors of order R plus 1, ఒకవేళ మీకు minor order R plus 1 is exists, then definitely that should be vanish. That is the conditions. So for example, suppose if you are taking this a 3 by 3 matrix. So a matrix itself is a square submatrix. A matrix itself is a square submatrix. So the minor of that matrix is, that means what you are saying that a matrix itself is a square submatrix. So if you find the determinant of the given matrix, suppose you are taking the 3 by 3 matrix, you find the 3 by 3 determinant. If the determinant value is not equal to 0, then we say that that will be the what we are saying that the rank of matrix is 3. Suppose you are taking this 3 by 3 matrix and the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix is 0. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. So the rank of matrix, how to find the rank of matrix? Take the given matrix. Suppose I am taking the 3 by 3. So now this is equivalent to 0. Then what happens? 3 by 3, I am taking the 3 by 3 matrix. The determinant value is not equal to 0. Then the rank of matrix will be, so we are denoting like this. So this will be the 3. Suppose the matrix, given matrix is a singular matrix, then the matrix value determinant is equal to 0. Then what happens? Now you will find the next level determinants. Next level mid, yeah, submatrices. So here 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. So you have a 9 elements. You will get the 9 2 by 2 minus. You will get the 9 2 by 2 minus. So in this 9, at least one is non-zero. Then we say that the rank of matrix is 2. So you have a 9 minus of order 2 by 2, because for 1 you get the 1 4 5 7 8, and 2 3 5 6 8, for 3 3 4 6 7, like this. You will get the 9 squares of matrices. So in this 9, at least one minor is not equal to 0. Then we say that the rank of matrix is 2. If again all these 2 by 2 is 9 matrices, these 9 matrices will be equal to 0. Then what we are doing is, we are going for the next level. Next level is 3 by 3 is over, then 2 by 2 is over, next remaining is 1 by 1. So here all are the non-zero elements. So when you are taking the 1 by 1 matrix, definitely the rank of the matrix is 1. So for example, if you take this, so I will note down this. Yeah. See this? I am working. I am giving an example, a simple example. 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. See this? The determinant of 3 by 3 is equal to 0. According to the properties of determinant, if any row is identical in the given matrix, the determinant value is 0. Is it correct or not? Yeah. So now here these three are the identical rows because the multiplication of first row is same thing as a multiplied by 2 and this is multiplied by 3. Then now you take the determinant of this one which is equal to 0. Now what you want to take this one? You can take the remaining. So first element 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. If you take this element, the square sub matrix is this one 2, 2, 3. Same again, second one kuda 2, 2, 3, and third is also 2, 2, 3. Now if you take these element 1, 1, 3, 3 and 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3. Now take this row 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. So these are the 9 submatrices for the first element. Eliminating this row and this column 2, 2, 3, 3. And second row, second element A 1, 2. So this 2, 3, 2, 3. And third column, third element 2, 3, 2, 3. These 9 elements and these all these 9 minus also 0 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Because all are the identical rows, directly you can write the 0. Now remaining is you go for the next level, 1 by 1 matrix. So the determinant of this is the square sub matrix, only 1. So this determinant is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of A matrix is 1. So how to find the rank of matrix here? So you can find the rank of matrix by finding the determinants. First take the given matrix. If it is square matrix, well and good. If it not, that is rectangular matrix, then what you want to do is you can take the square matrix, possible highest square submatrix. That is, suppose if you are having a 3, 4, 3. So now what happened? This is a 3 by 4 matrix. So what you want to this one? Now we need to find the square matrix. So this is one square matrix. Next, first 3 rows. Next, eliminate the first row. Second, third, fourth, one matrix. Next, second row, like that. So you will get the 4 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. This is the one square matrix. Next, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 3, 4. Like this. So if you are confused about these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 3 by 4 matrix. To find the rank of this matrix, this is the rectangular matrix. So we cannot directly find the determinant. So you can take the highest possible square sub matrix. So first one is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. First 3 columns. This is one matrix. Next, now eliminate the third one. 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 6. This is the another matrix. Now eliminate the second. 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, and then eliminate the first one. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. Whenever you get this like rectangular matrix, here is you have a possible of 4 matrix. Suppose you have a fifth row also, fifth column. Sorry, fifth column. If you have a fifth column, you get the another one matrix. So now find the determinants of this one. You need to find until you will get the non-zero. మీకు matrix లో non-zero వచ్చేంత వరకు you need to find that. So the determinant value is non-zero, then you can start that. So at least one of these 4 is non-zero, then we say that the rank of matrix is 0. So if suppose all these 4 is equal to 0, then what we have to do this one, you need to go the next 2 by 2 matrices. How many possible? 3 into 4, 4. You will get the 12 2 by 2 matrices. In the 12, at least one minor is non-zero, then the rank is 2. If all those 12 is 0, then you will go to the next level. That will be the rank of matrix. Listen once again, the rank of matrix definition is, let R be any positive integer is said to be rank of the matrix if it satisfies the 2 conditions. One condition is at least one non-zero minor of order R, and second one is if the minor of order R plus 1 is exist. అంటే ఒకవేళ మీకు if that R plus 1 minor ఉంటేనే, లేదనంటే don't worry. So that R plus 1 minor is 0. This is the condition. And so you know the singular and non-singular. 526. What is the singular matrix? Yeah. Any matrix you have taken, if the determinant value is equal to 0, then we say that is a singular matrix. If the determinant is not equal to 0, then we say that is a non-singular matrix. So, non-singular matrix. Now, the rank of matrix, what you are saying that the determinant value is not equal to 0, then the order of the matrix is rank. Is it correct or not? So, now what you are saying that rank of matrix is a order of the matrix when the determinant is not equal to 0. Now you have taken this A matrix is a 4 by 4 matrix, and the determinant of this matrix is not equal to 0. Then say that what is the rank of matrix? 560. 560. Is there or not? So if the determinant matrix order is 4 by 4 and determinant is non-singular matrix, then what is the rank of matrix? I have taken the 4 by 4 matrix. Why? What we are saying that what we are saying that determinant value is not equal to 0, the order itself is a rank. Now I have 4 by 4, then determinant is not equal to 0. Yes, rank of matrix is 4. Huh? Suppose if it is equivalent to 0, rank should be less than 4. Maybe 3 or 2 or 1. Again, that depends on minus. So here you have a 4 by 4. You will get the 16 3 by 3 minus. Huh? When you want to, if the rank of 4 by 4 is less than 4, then you will get the 16 minus of 3 by 3. So one of these 16, at least one. The condition is at least one minor is not equal to 0. Suppose you have taken the first element, A11 element minor, that is 0. Then you next choose the A12, A13, A14, like that. All 16 you need to check. So if these are 16 also 0, then you go for the 2 by 2 minus. Then you can consider the all possible 2 by 2. Then next, if one of the minor is not equal to 0, then the rank is 2. Otherwise this one. So any matrix, any non-singular matrix, rank is equivalent to minimum of R comma C. If A is a non-singular matrix, then the rank is equivalent to minimum of rows comma columns. While if you are taking a 4 by 5, rank, maximum rank is 4. That's why we are taking the minimum of R comma C. And if the matrix is a non-zero matrix, then the rank of matrix is 0 is less than and less than or equal to minimum of R comma C. If 0 matrix only, then the rank is 0. Otherwise it is non-zero rank. So if the matrix, 0 matrix means all the elements in the matrix are 0. Then that we call as a 0 matrix. So if the matrix is non-zero matrix, the rank should be between 0 to minimum of R comma C. Rows comma column. And every non-singular matrix is equivalent to its order. That means minimum of R comma C. And unit matrix is its order. Rank of unit matrix is its order. That is these are the three properties. Note down. So after the definition, note. First point. If A is a non-singular matrix, if A is a non-singular matrix, then rank of A equals to minimum of R comma C. A equal to minimum of R comma C. If A is a non-singular matrix, then the rank of A is equal to minimum of row comma column. And second one is, if row. Now second one is, if A is a non-zero matrix, if A is a non-zero matrix, then 0 less than rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of R comma C. 0 less than, rank of A is less than minimum of R comma C. And third one is the rank of the any unit matrix. The rank of the any unit matrix is equals to its order.